numukunda daboti tala numukunda dabo dimma woliba Gambia sanoni lulu wolti donna alpha balo minibe ko loya Usenu Dabo abe kasodo nyin temben afana mu Gambia sanoni lulu wolti ay fenke Gambia mi alon ko Allah taala donne along aliya ala alokutos mi alon ko alafta karanna kiti dula janni ka sorong momorondi akaran e balo nal jumalumu Usenu numukunda daboti tala numukunda dabo dimma woliba minkeda dobo kemoti amamari ma wolmu woli kundan kolleti Usenu be soronding bi nyanda kala lunneti lungomi yalon ko ndol gambianol be Usenu be tarra nunje nyanin ko nyani dobo la Usenu Dabo anim bansanna Usenu Dabo kemesen mi yalon ko jamme jilanka atemu jaran kolti jarala kemesen jamme afana betara nunje adum Femi Peters fana mini alonko akwala Femi Peters Gambia din kendo aning mfa Momodu Sane mi alonko ay police yake Gambia le fari tayata ay law and order protect in the Gambia. He served in police. I do work to a very high rank. I retired another National Assembly member. His only records, the only record we have about him are records of patriotism, records of good behaviors, records of love for one's country.
Records for love for one country. Jumalebo Foka, this is Ahmed Jide. Walatna Ninkale ko we are winning, we mean it, we winning, we win kane. So it's always important. We take it easy. Na kata drong, we stand strong. Come belori nyam bambandi nyame. We are winning. There is no doubt ko mantara ka win, we win kane, and everybody need to understand that. Walatina mkafo mobe ko benyanta kan hakilo to bake. Benyanta kan hakilo to bake. UDP mu party ballot anong UDP mu party me ya lonko. The records dama is going to make us to win the election because we have a very clean record. The records all the records me ya lonko. These are valid records. Nyumo records me ya lonko. They will never be deleted in the system. Because they will never be deleted in the system. Umolu kablibe fokang. There are people more level lori melialonko. Ibe records all nyintaka. Ibe keep kang for today. So wala atina ngafo mobi ko. The love you have for the party, ali love kano menso the party onye alo kano nyen lafa. Because the party is growing and the party will keep growing. Inshallah ta'ala rabbi. Atomeli alonko alben jibe kang. Keep watching and keep sharing. We vacancy Musa Siano. I just have a Kumadantana Buldron left an ale mensian in Somandala, and then I feel called Kumakan Kumata Bakale Punol Sia. But Nadiamo Bekelamenti Wolem Ninduko. There is a video me alonko Namul Fon Lebasiakang, and then UDP called Fon Lebasiakang. My appeal to my fellow UDPians is this call Ali Dahaka Fat Jain la videos here, Ali Dahaka Fat Jain Gibe. Because Alka Gibe Nyamen, because NPP Mamosoto, they have nobody momentary bulu, while at Naniela platform will Gibe normally in a platform will Nasiata, Motawara Ulem, Nasiata Mokeme, in a platform will better. So, but why Fat Jain la platform moto more Jamaka Gibe, more Jamaka because UDP will lakata ka jibe, and then I don't think Fat Jan nyanda kala mut me along control nyanda kala lamoyala because Fat Jan is not giving, it's not adding anything to UDP la political do, but Fat Jan is somebody me along ko about fonle tinyakan, and then so come on a moment ba fonle tinyakan, don't be there to give him more relevance in the kawle for UDP in Koli. Ali da haka Fat Jan jibe, ali da haka Fat Jan lo kuma kawota kon ka spray to our people because umukuled me along ko is only going to put anger into your people. Aka kamfa dula molto. Obviously, truly speaking, namol ba understand na gela fanango. Truly speaking, ko nyulmumo let mele alonko. They have hatred against Mandinka. Nimetona for alonko. Nyulmumo let mele alonko. They have no problem with UDP as a UDP, but they have a problem with a particular bigger number of tribe me alonko wolele associated with UDP. Yes, UDP manget mandinga patriot, UDP mo be patriolity, but it all kanjila joko ye mentundu it all the doctrine ye mentundu nyul jama ko kono wala nyunduko UDP mo mandinga patriolity. And then, so for that being the case, we will attack the Mandinkas. For that being the case, me Mandinko attack lale, me Mandinko nenale. So all that in that, I mean, we have to be very careful. Nteka more advice all the time. The likes of Farijany, Ninata, I mean, the complete attack, the total attack, it can make it can Mandinko lela, not about UDP. It can UDP to follow down just to use a party name. But ila attack better another, ila jawya better another, be movement wole ninduko, ka mandinko neng, ka mandinko doya, ila attack be world. But that doesn't mean UDP is a mandinka party. I always make this very clear. Because the likes of Aji Amundao Yabo, the likes of Aji Sukainaka, the likes of the deputy party leader, all those people are Olofs. So among them, you have Fullers in UDP. You have even Manjagos in UDP. You have different tribes in UDP. But they will not look into that. The only thing UDP is a Mandinka party. And that word is what they keep sharing to our people. Okay, in fact, remember the likes of Maimuna Sise and the likes of Fabu Sane. You know, they are in NPP and Fargan is using NPP name now. So sometimes UDP platform will do attack. You're using a platform, a party platform to attack, to insult. No. UDP, to speak, the party is a responsible party, and then nobody should use the party platform to insult because of the party is a responsible party. So because look at that, NPP party, the party is not a responsible party. The party is not being controlled by anybody. Party more control. Dumale party control. Then control. Then me along me bulubani maralong. Wolele famar the party na. Wole atina. People will use the name of the party. The NPP use lale. Ka particular tribes will attack. The NPP use lale. Ka wondi alpha alta keneng. The NPP use lale ka wondi alpha alta keneng. So but mbadu will drunk come and follow all nyuntuko. Nteka mem for mole all nyuntuko. I always say this to people. Ali Dahaka Fat gagne la vidéo sia. Ali Dahaka Fat gagne la vidéo sia. This is all what I have for you people. Ali Dahaka Fat gagne la vidéo sia. Ali Dahaka sia. My comrade, my people. Na mo dolje Fat gagne la vidéo ba sia kan WhatsApp group lo kono. Fat gagne kan na alpha al benen abe gambien call benen kan. Fat gagne is somebody me ya lonko. Look, I mean Fat gagne mu dem kurungoleti. Fat gagne be kamfarine. Farjani multi me alonko. See it mess up her life. Our life I will mess up. See it mess up her life. I'm on fence no kotenke. The only thing as a man can all nyuko. Ka doko mol bala. The only thing as a man can all nyuko. Mole kodo diala. Kamol attack kamol neng. Farjani mu woldi. Farjani mu dim kurungoleti. So dim kurungo saying why you people UDPians minat na lebe dim kurungo dalaba dalajan la sato kono. Hey. Farjanyol dolu mu mol let mel yalonko don't talk to them alkana diamuye alabe kiti hotel and new wol temale mbuke bañol neng mbuke fañol neng mbuke la mol neng mbuke la tribe neng e ka fentile kan neng e ka tribe sol neng e ka bamañol neng e ka famañol neng andum dol fon la molu dol la mol mel yalonko dol ni wolle sia the same house the same compound the same kabilo the same tribe wolle mol mel yalonko e ka the light of Farjanyol take use against us fon la mol ndol fon la dengolu wala ka Farjanyol ta e ka platform ol dila pour yana kantol neng fon la mol adul kana ko dengue alka wala video ta alke sia stop sharing the lack of Farjanyol la video ali da hafon ke gibe wallahi ni atara UDP ko lu mbasot lalla nali me la platform o gibe billahi wallahi tallahi they cannot make thousands in their platforms because they have no support. They have no support in social media. They have no support in Facebook. They have no support in even WhatsApp group. Everybody knows that. Farjani, al history Nali Agibe. If you don't know the history of Farjani, let me tell you. Farjani is a psycho. Farjani is a psycho. It's a psychiatric patient. She is a psychiatric patient where she cannot secure a proper job. Farjani may look. That lady, the lady in Switzerland, Sweden. Minatina Farjani na mon continue de kokela. Because the lady understand ko atala philosophy and the philosophy of Farjan is completely different. Nyamato, you are making a Nyamato a dove. You are making a dove relevant in this country. Gambian Kolo Ali Dahawola. Ali Dahawola. Farjan mu Nyamato leti. Farjan mu Siban toleti. Farjan mu Moti Mayalongo. Amon Kulu, Abama Kulu, Afama Kulu. Ha. Abama Kulu, Afama Kulu, Alamol Makulu. Kulu balo na alka kulu balo ta alka celebrate. Alka kulu balo ta alka la video janjandi. Kulu balo. Kulu balo. Mome yanonga kulu baliata. Nali ala history jibe. Look, ask about the history of her parents. Because there mome below kamola alfa neng. Ask about the history of Farjan's parents. Ask about the birth of Farjan. Ala ulu nyafong. Ali wanyinang kabambari ngamiyan kolo. Jumala ma fat. Jumala ma bati. Jumala ma mamati. Ask about that. Ala nyinan ka follow. You know the clear history of Farjan. Because look, Farjan made like a manding call ning. Farjan made like a UDP alpha ning. Minatina. Ninata Farjan farm mo kendolji. Abamu mo kendolji. And you told something go to lay Farjan ulu. It will lay Farjan boli kono. Nim Farjan ka molta ka mole alpha ning. E mon Farjan stop no. This mean go. Ask the history. Ali nyinan ka ye faro sota nyadile. Let us stop joking. And the fabula. Billahi wallahi. If I stand here, I start insulting a particular tribe here. Billahi. Nkotoma. Mbama sinalu. Mbama lamolu. Mbarana molu. Billahi wallahi tallahi azim. They will call me. They will condemn me. They will even come to public and condemn me. Kajeko. Ndemu molti meyanung. Nganyi menke. I am doing it out of character. I'm doing it out of a family yard. I'm doing it because minakata. Ndemu sibantoliti. Ndemu because minakata. Ndemu dunkurungolti. Ebo wala fola. Minakata Farjan la molu manfindi. La foko. Farjan because it's a joint work. This is not my way. But Alida Kala video sia. Gambian Kolon Kadiamatul. Alida Farjan video sia. Do you know the history of Farjan? Ayalo Kejale Farjan Jene. Kejelo. Al Farjan Jibeba, ala Jibeba. One of the video about Mekan, Akafuko Membase, Ayalo Nabase, Kejele ba Jene Kambase, Aliolon. Mo Jena do, ko Jene, o Jeno is very easy. Jena do. Batra do. If they go low, we go low. If they go high, we go high. Now, it's fair, it's a Quebec. But the moment you attack my parents, the moment you attack my party leader, I will attack you. I will attack you up to the bedroom of your parents. If you want to do your politics, why attacking my parents? Why insulting my parents? Because if mama is just a member of a party, I'm a cookie. Mama meaning. Mama meaning, Mfama no low political platform, but because of Minakata, Mfama is a member of a political party, and you are insulting the entire membership of the political party. Milan Taylor, Eba mo kurum, Ifa mo kurum, Ndaleaf. Kulubalia na left all, let's go low. Farjan Kulubalia Lama Fallong, Kulubal Dimo, Jena Dimo, Batra Dimo. And then look, if you say this, they will think you are insulting. I'm not insulting. I am responding. I am talking according to the character of Farjan. This is not my character. Based on the character of Farjan. Farjan's character, when you are informing people about the character of somebody, that doesn't mean menkabo, it can mean for, it's like, it doesn't mean I am arrogant. No. I am informing the entire public, the general globe, about Gambian Kole informed, Jumalan Farjan, and Farjan la Jikolu, Farjan moment in call for Gambian Kole. That doesn't mean, it's not that I'm insulting. Nobody knows me. Momentalong Nendrola in the Facebook. But Ngaman Farjan Jiko. I go for Farjan got Jumala platform or use. to attack, to insult a particular tribe. Look, NPP, many of the people in NPP, many of them, their families are in UDP. Many of them, their parents, some of them are NPP. But the entire family are in UDP. I see platform auto. I see the NPP platform auto. UDP, Momo, the entire membership, the entire supporters of UDP. And you are happy with that. You are happy with that. And you are sharing that. My fellow UDPians, please share, stop sharing Farjine videos into our WhatsApp group. Block Farjine. Look, the best thing is, wherever she is, block that page. Aliya Jibe ba. Billahi, nimmo buka Farjine Jibe. She will stop insulting. But look, Nimbebe Bandale. Nimbebe Bandale. Farjine before, Alilamoy. Akala page you used before. Farjine platform. But because we campaign at the page, nobody is watching her in her own page. Mobuga Jibe at the page, saying at the NPP forward. NPP forward Gambia. Al-Qatar Kajibe. And when NPP forward a platform, Mobuga mentioned Farjine Kosodo. Why? Because Farjine come to learning. Why? Ikajibe because the molle ba koma molle yata ya empower private ka UDP call bening ka UDP alpha bening ka Gambia alpha bening ka niga UDP alpha ne ka Gambia alpha bening eka Gambia alpha bening Farjane aka nen dro menke aka Gambia alpha bening fo de men ka sponsor fo de alpha man tano kono alla fiabula alla chagano bula Politico manjara wala, but I'll be political friend like a wallet. If you go low, we go low. If you go high, we go high. Madin Gambian call. Let's go to Maimuna Sise. From there, we go to Fabu Sane. Hey, Gambian call, wallahi. Suma wallahi, Azim. Ngaliako, ibe fania fola. Ibe fania fola. For fania fola, ibe safele bala. Pam, ibe fania stampo jele balo bala. Alman Memoyla 2017, Alman Memoyla 2018, Alman Memoyla 2019, Alman Memoyla 2020, Alba Moyla 2021, because they want to deceive the Gambian people. Il a fait que Gambien de nous, Gambien call le filendi. Quand on y a très ko mafo, et mafo. Look, for example, Bausenu be masakunda kono 2017. Bausenu be masakunda kono 2018. 2019, Bausenu mantara masakunda kono 2019. Bausenu mantara masakunda kono 2020. Mina yatina, ya anything long Bausenu. Mina yatina e mawofo in the early 2019, in the early 2020, but then 2021. Gambian Kolo, Fanialem, Wulialem, Nafikialem, Abem having a complot. Mandingo have me complot, or France have me complot. Tu pas complot. Abe moulet. Et quand même be fa aman soto, na soto da milat ne ma fo nun. Abe wul ya kense. Hey, go, Gambian Kolo. Mbal ñu kala kukli nela. Ka ba Ousainou neng. Ka UDP Kolo neng. Ka Gambia Alpha neng. Go, fo wala be bango sa mano la bang. Gambian Kolo ka ñu ka wala. Go, masakunda be NPP Kolo le bulsain. NPP Kolo ya fa Gambian Kolo ko. What did they have for the Gambians? Ye mina so Gambian Kolo. Wala fisara ka ba Ousainou neng, wala fisara ka faniala ba Ousainou kan. Wala fisana ka faniala ba Ousainou kan. Ngale ko al safania sikanan, al sikanan all the way from Rome, al safania sikanan all the way from Saudi Arabia, al safania sikanan all the way from United States of America, al safania sikanan dunia tonko nano beto, al sikanan al yafa al Ousainou kan. Wallahi nyin keba nata nola, nyin keba mota fen fola, nyin keba hey ayo ko mala fo nyin keba ma men tambita bial be men folama. Al fania wota ba Ousainou non dila wallahi. Et comment le fait ba Ousainou ma me ya longo wala tambita bi al ika même fama. Yes Gambians, yes. Et comment je le fait ba Ousainou ma Gambian Kolo. Hey, al ka ba Ousainou na nyamen. Al ka fani ala ba Ousainou ka nyamen. Gambian Kolo ka kanu soto ñun kebala wala nyama. Kana Gambian Kolo ka lo nako albe fani ala la, albe wuli ala la, albe batare ya ken son la. Gambian Kolo ka lo na feta ka koy Gambian Kolo male. Albe wuli ya ken son, wuli ya ken son albe wol. Ala fo Gambian Kolo ko ni ya karteo di alla albe mina kela no Gambian Kolo alo fo Gambian Kolo ban If you are voted into office, what are you going to do for the Gambian people? Alava Gambia Musoli ko, Al Gambia Musoli ko, Alibel Pano you want la nyadile, Alava Gambia Musoli ko, Albe Seno you want la nyadile, Alava Gambia Musoli ko, Albe business you want la no Gambia Musoli nyadile, Alava Gambia Musoli ko, Gambia Musoli Balunya, Alba Sona no nyadile, Alava Gambia Ngoli ko, Alba Gambia funding ko, Alba Doko dile nyadile, Alava Gambia Ngoli ko, Gambia funding ko Alba Tamala nyadile, Alava Gambia Ngoli ko, Gambian ko la balunya alba sona la nyadil alaba Gambian ko le ko Gambian ko la karamu alba karamu lu len naje alaba Gambian ko le ko Gambian ko la tijalu alba tijal la balunya sona la nyadil alaba Gambian ko le ko Gambian ko la nosolu Gambian ko la doctorolu Gambian ko la tijalu Gambian ko la dokulalu Gambian ko la polisolu Gambian ko la prison polisolu Gambian ko la sojarolu Gambian ko la sefolu Gambian ko la alkalolu alaba Gambian ko le ko alba wol balunya sona la nyadil alabo Gambian ko le ko Gambian ko la ba Gambian ko la baludula albo sonen lo nyadil albo Gambian ko le bang hey al meta kadiamu ba usenna koro kabin 2018 albe fani alala kan kabin 2019 albe fani alala kan kabin 2020 albe fani alala kan for 2021 al meda hano bila al ka wuli akudol samana Gambian ko be dudula la bile Gambian ko bal fayla ko mo la bile Gambian ko ta dan ko la bi Gambian ko yalla ko al mu jonlati al mu jonna jonnati Gambian ko ye wala long wala tina fania doron albe balula wala alman fensoro albe men fola Gambian ko le ale Gambian ko fel ngo minat na bravo Gambian ko le ko OIC minatin al bravo Gambian ko le ko OIC alaf Gambian ko minatin al bravo Gambian ko le ko OIC please alaf ngole Namira OIC was part of your big big propaganda. OIC. Mina tinna albuga Gambian call OIC. President Barrow e mina fojang OIC silo comme tout mane heba lonjela. Kabri March. January, February, March. Ansa OIC la contrat go from malo ya di jumala. Gambian call alila moide. OIC la projeto. Let's talk. Look, ngafa lonko with me I want Nimbe Diamond until left to anybody. Momo Yalon Kebe NPP left until let's meet at a platform. We'll talk about policies. Na Diamond left like a Gambian by you no nyadile. Gambian kola balunya ba sona no nyadile. Let's talk about that in the platform. Ndol UDP na wala sero Gambian kola. Be Gambian kola balunya sona no nyadile, be Gambian kola karan sona no nyadile, be Gambian kola seno you wala no nyadile, not based on 419 period. No 419 period. We don't need 419. Be Gambian kola informally, technically. Please understand na mensoto technically, brothers. The Gambian call informal. What are we going to do for the entire Gambian people? That is going to be. Hey, look, our information. Look, one thing is very important here. You no man baby caring. You no man baby caring more. All you to go. You call her mbokason luntangol register. Luntangol. Yes, luntangol billahi luntangol doesn't register. I'm to left. Because luntangol. Ni nyanda kanto la banko kaito soto e nyanda ka apply nyanda ka na fulo le jo nyanda ka process le follow if they don't follow the process ya manu gambe mu chaka banko le dimina dro yegi emina dro gambe kaito ye nyuwala ndol ko ata kela we love our country ndol kiliyata le ngo ndol with UDP ndol yenna banko kaito na kiliyale but ni kane ka falo ko UDP ko le malun ton le kanu onyo wulu yala be sotla UDP demo jelle be diaspora Bay, 90% of the UDP, 90% of diasporas are all UDP. For all the bank alone, don't want the bank all come. But ni left over bank all la kaitola, it can process le follow, and they pay, it can jole. They pay a lawyer, you pay the council, you kill a lawyer jole, you kaito jo, you know murkotenga fanandara, all the system will go jo. You must create an employment for that people. O banko dongulu. Process lemu. Because if you don't follow those processes, it became a banko kaito dila. Gambia manga chaka banko me alongo. Imina don Gambia kaito yenu alon doloko ata kela. We are going to regulate. We are going to regulate our national document. You like it or you don't like it. This is what is our intention. Nina mu Gambia, nina mu tolle intentionoti. NPP call alida ka faniaf. Dol na de ko ha eko secretary general eko ha eko secretary general for example secretary general sa alila moy de gambe ko alila mani hakilo de gambe fale wallahi summa wallahi azim alila moy ani hakilo la bang na modo lo moy diamude ko secretary general eko ni entra nung adama mallo asingola nung eko ha eko dawla fadera ta kela no secretary general de sa kiyanko lu mbato lella inata say to hikmatize the people of Kiang, to traumatize the people of Kiang. Ka Kiang kolta ke kungol dulu nyokono, ka Kiang kolta ke mislead. But thanks to the people of Kiang. The Kiang people are smart, the Kiang people are intelligent, and the Kiang people know the future of Kiang. Nobody can deceive them. Try another way. So eko bounce, you know. Guys, just a minute, please. 1 minute, please. So eko alay Hussein la yatina eko alay Hussein with alay Hussein dan no dawla fadela fonta kala no the secretary general of the first secretary general of the coalition government ko but men jahal wala nyuko member fokang she was not here at Amantara Nunja in 2016 and she was not even here in 2017 Amantara Nunja member fokang. Okay, I just want Gambian to probably understand. Alia understand with me, Gambian Fali. Because the point here is, Secretary General Tombo Mojang Yake Yamin. Dawda Fadera was the PMO, was the permanent secretary PMO. Dawda Fadera Munu permanent secretary PMO. Kabin Coalition Masakunda Kana. So the Secretary General Mealonko Wole Benunje, or Secretary General Kabiyo Bundi. So Dawda Fadera being the senior civil servant. Because the permanent secretary member PMO, look, this is technical. Nyamu technicality. Permanent secretary member PMO, yawole bondi ne wala Dawda Fadera yawole samanang yake munti yake secretary general of the coalition government. Secretary general. Sam Bausene minaka auto. Bausene tobe minele auto. And in fact, the biggest misleading aspect of it, during the coalition time, Alai Hussein from many of the meetings, Alai Hussein Bokata. Because Alai Hussein understand the call. At the moment, I've been in prison. So the coalition must call discourse in his absence here. He was not there. The coalition called a discourse. So Kabriya Bulana, many of the meetings at the Bokata, Dumalakata meeting attend for UDP, Ajam Sega, and Alaji Dabo. Wallaka meeting attend on behalf of UDP. So Bausenu can make a wall Yunduko. Bausenu give them a legal advice, I call it dealer. Because Bausenu is a lawyer. So because with Bausenu, truly speaking, if Bausenu was here, he will not advise Adamo to resign from UDP. Because Bausenu understand resigning from UDP was not the issue there. The issue is Banko Mol be sonta ko coalition weke. Kabim Banko Mol sonta ko coalition weke sign. All parties were represented. If Adamo won now, they should all rally behind Adamo. But saying Adamo resigning from UDP, which is okay now. And everybody understand that. Everybody accept that. So Bausenu from those period, Nink Mitun Katake, Bausenu Bukata Mitundula. And in fact, if the Faniali Meliano Bebe Fokan, a minister position or Watola, Bausenu Mansara, some of the committee members or some of the executive members of UDP. How can you believe that Albesanola Wanyadile? But remember, you will go Kajako for Fabula Wuliala Bank, for Jumala Wuliala Bank. Go, Adama Minif, Adama interview I meant for Molio Moil, Gambian called Aleo Moil. One Langaliako, Comatebulu, they have nothing, even fencer the Gambian called informal men, but to lie. Kafaniala, UDP Kang, Kafaniala Alai Usenu Kang. And in fact, beat them Bamo, you go use for charm, and I'm so you can NPP. I spoke to Bao is for charm. Then it's for charm Diamutale. Akonyo go Nimomo and call Mbesama, Akonyo Bebunya sell cigar and banyor. Look, But it's for comforter for such kind of information. Because now this is their tactics. Même la tactics ti wala ñindiko. Ila tactics moment wala ñindiko. Ila tactics moment wala ñindiko. Ibe mol kam fand la ñaadi le. Ila tactics moment wala ñindiko. Adama ye mol me yalon ko ay intimidate. Because it's not only Elijah Yusufa Cham, even men attack for him to join the NPP. It's not only Yusufa Cham. They are attacking many of our executive members. We know it. But the other men come out of the executive members soul men attack. Many of them are victims, are the first victims of Adama Barrow. So what happened to Fabu, they lose sense. Because if they are attacking many of our victims, many of the first victims of Adama and Molmel followed by, and they are executive member of UDP, Eka will attack, Eka for Oleko, Purianaka join. Are they using, look, what is happening to Fabu and the team? So we are monitoring. They have gone to many of our executive members, Puri join NPP. Many of our executive members. And the executive member Jamal Ebeje, he can Noma, he can invite, he can meet in the particular places. And we know it because we are monitoring. We are monitoring. Many of our executive members are. Look, Nimble Life, Nimble Line, please, guys, if you call me, you're distracting me. When I'm live, you don't call. You're completely distracting me. So, the executive member Solomon Noma. Right? We know them. Many of them, we know them. Billahi, we have evidence of Itana Dolia, when they were there, we have the evidence of the entire thing. But what we understand, all those people, none of them will accept their offers. Adama be moto kuto dilela. Adama be salary dilela. Kabri ye bay. All this past months, so even basis sokono. Adama ba be sikala ba be dilela just for you to join. Just for you to join. For you to join NPP. Ekanyana famole. Ekafoyele ko kabring Adama ye bay. Fombe bi men kono. Ila karfa jo mbabe la sikala mbabe dilela anu Adama me moto kuto sikala ay adila. We know all those people ne belonne and we have evidence that I'm only Noma, but those people are strong. Because the problem is many of the executive members of UDP be alonoko MPP is off. So I don't think Adama Dungume alongo hakilo bala or be UDP bula ka join NPP when people are leaving NPP kanaka join UDP. Ngaleko transfer window ayana tele. There are a lot of people along with NPP. They are ready to join UDP 100%. There was a time I came here and Kaliako. There are a lot of people from NPP in UDP, and then you've seen it. Mojelu anya wolaje e botana NPP in Araka join. But my information, Gamben for Mole, Priya understand. Mole Priya understand. Abdul Willan nata join UDP, another Abdul Willan Noma, ya Abdul Willan Samba ya video rise, and the Amuta apachata, Abdul Willan Hina is sick. Because the promise, the Abdul Willan, they are not there to fulfill it. They are not fulfilling those promises. So if Abdul Willan, Mayor Longo is just a person, it's just a mayor member, he just joined UDP, we celebrate him. Because with UDP, anybody who joined UDP, we celebrate you. Because we celebrate, anybody join our party, we celebrate you. Because ngajala ko emari botana dimbala kono inada kanaka join Jisuma kono inada join Cairo kono. That's why we always celebrate anybody. Meya lonko amari wake up from sleeping. This is why we celebrate Abdul Willan. We don't celebrate Abdul Willan because Milakata Abdul Willan is bringing people to UDP. No, we only celebrate him because Milakata is somebody he was rescued
Now rescue from a danger. And we must celebrate him. That is why we celebrate the likes of Abdul Wilan. So if Abdul Wilan is in this trouble now, why an executive member of UDP will accept to be in such troubles? So this is the issue here, Mbadol. I don't want to go much about those people, but I spoke to Alhaji Yusuf Cham. Alhaji Yusuf Cham is very strong, and in fact, Alhaji Yusuf Cham even applied to IEC pour respond Timo Samana Sukuta, pour Sukuta call the register because Sukuta is big. So Alhaji Yusuf Cham, he wrote to IEC according to the law, and IEC not can respond, and they send a response team to Sukuta because Sukuta is a big place. So somebody doing that for a party. So do you think with their, Momo Kumobe Fombala, you will expect Alhaji Yusuf Cham, Bola Muntole, Alhaji Yusuf Cham Bola, UDP that can join NPP. Soufre patio. So guys, another thing. We have seen people they have budgeted 800 million. Okay, 800 million. Million can I say? Okay, 800 million. Okay, fine. 800 million, if you have budget minakama, they budgeted it just put a mold like a all sang. Fine. It's a lot of call winner. You try to register foreigners. I just want Alia understand that. 800 million. Guys, listen to me very carefully. Left a call inform, because I always tell you this in Kanyana Father all the time. I will be very mad when I have to be here to misinform Gambian people. So Alila Moyane Hakilola, I will inform you in details. If you see why I'm laughing, is because the information I had about this 800 million, yes, it could be true. Now let's see it as true. Najibe comment Tonyalam sign. Okay, Tonyalam, 800 million. 800 million. Million can I say? Fine, million can I say? Million 800 000 800 million. Fine. Okay. If you see, I don't want to break this this important news to my people, because sometimes I see it's not time, it's not yet. I have a lot of information. Right now, the president is in Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia. Do you know Tripoli to Saudi Arabia is meant for what? Do you know Jumanlebe Tripoli coma? Saudi Arabia Tripoli. Aliano Jumanleba coma. Aliano why the president was received by a regional commissioner, a regional governor. Aliano why President Barrow was received in Saudi Arabia by a regional governor. Okay, some people will say this is not the first time President Barrow was received by a regional governor. Yes, Tonyalam. Saudi Arabia waratale. And normally when Nikara Umrah, some of them they start Umrah from Medina, and from Medina Jeddah to Mecca. That's it. It's true. Okay. The main purpose to Saudi Arabia is more labor koma, and some of them are so-called scholars. Dolmus scholars solely. And then they are lobbyists. They call them lobbyists. So in Arabolu, many of these Arabs, they have this philosophy called Mansa. Some of them, and not all of them. Comme Mansa membe siring, etol ni wolem. Arabo jama. Fine. So ila kodotai bulu. Let me just make it easy. Adama Barrow Masakunda kodo te bulu kodo men bebe bulu ya be sam pikopol lela o pikopol fon sai e buka frelo soto. And I understand. So Adama will be doing foreign travel. Adama be kala tama lele all the time because naga tama eka flight nying meluas eka flight nying meluas flight nying kodo eka fem bondi jele pour la patio mol melialongo kata the few people melialongo kata eka mel be dulu tripo ko ni nata each of them e be ka kodo do bond le ka push into politics each of them because melekata state house la budget o albe alonne you get the budget for state house. So that is one of the aspect. Domandina woti ela money lobbying. Comme eka kodo lobbying nyame. Because for example, nim president Okata. In Saudi Arabia, nataraje, there are a lot of these Arab women they offer him a free ladula diala free ladula ko diala ladula. Abuka ladula jo, abuka domoro jo because melekata eka dia mol melia. Many of them are mafias. So Ibuka Ladula Joe, Ibuka Moto Joe, they don't pay nothing there. Ibuka Fen Joje. So but it will mean like they make claims of claims keleko Gambia government and yanda kawo call Joe. Gambia government and yanda kawo Joe. For example, okay, let's say now OIC le kanaketen, for example. But say mina yatina kabring President Barrow kada Saudi Arabia emafoko President Barrow is going to discourse about the OIC Menkanake. About the OIC Menkanake. Because they will be attacked in Saudi. Because they are not going for anything about OIC. President will have much visit in Saudi Arabia should be about OIC. Because OIC is impending. OIC be pending. So we expect President Barrow kata OIC la. President Barrow is going to discourse mobilization of OIC fund in Saudi Arabia. But it happened in Dubai. Dubai. So when they understand called Dubai triple Gambian call yalone abaita. Fine. So alata in Saudi Arabia also the same tactics lebeje. He is not going there on behalf of the Gambian people, but it akatajel on behalf of NPP. Sarakula do lebeje, Sarakula Melialonko ibeje, one of the Sarakula, Taikunol, will lebeje. Sarakula Taikuno do lebeje. So, Wollemod Melanko, they are dealing with some Arabs. It's a kind of mafia game. So, Wollemid Arabo libe Dilkang to baffle the minds of the president. Purka Kolomud Arabo Bulu, Kafoko. They are coming to dig boreholes here. Boreholes. Let me just make it very easy here. President Barrow Saudi Arabia, why is spending 6 months there? Akata some of the Arab make some of the charity organizations made by Saudi Arabia. Putting in borehole project all. Because the only tactics you mentioned all in Ninduko, Nina ila political kono, wherever you meet okay, if a borehole deal mola, coming like in Yamina. Because in Kame Menke Nyamina, Satol of a borehole. But Gambian call and Yantaka understand. Mina Atina President Barrow borehole sing unless Satole from 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, Imam borehole sing. But now is the time in Aftakanaka borehole sing. Because Minaka borehole Melialonke be Dilala, Ebe Samalan, because they will commit more boreholes. I know it. In the first meeting we are already, member discussed again. We have a lot of information. Member discussed in their first meetings. And in Arab women discussed that we know the Arab. Probably many of the Arabs they are targeting, probably those people will not give them the physical cars. Probably. Because Wolu Kabrini meeting they discussed with their partners here. And we discussed with some of their partners also. Arabo Dolu. Okay, but they are expecting to have more meetings. Kotenke. Meeting what be member how they are going to lobby funds. If a kolol sorla nyali na prika fa musole ko me boholol sinaliele me gadinol sinaliele me video project sol kela masakunda kina charity organization oti. Purale understand ngamemfo Usman Sow is part of the trip. Usman Sow, right? Usman Sow atele mot me alonko atele be aram bankol nin Gambia tema sai. Not the finance minister, not the foreign minister, Usman Sow. Because Usman Sow access to the Saudi Arabia was the first country to sponsor the coalition government. Saudi Arabia. Through a charity fund. So Usman Sow is the one leading that. So Usman Sow, Usman Sow is not staying here very well. Usman Sow is always in Qatar. Usman Sow is always in Saudi Arabia. Usman Sow is always in Dubai. Why Usman Sow is always in Dubai? Why Usman Sow is always in Qatar? Why Usman Sow is always in much of these Arab countries? Because Usman Sow is the key lobbyist. It's his key lobby. So they will come. Ya Gambian ko lie the Jama Ulimela. Ya Gambian ko lie the Colon Ulimela. Ya Gambian ko lie the Ball Ulimela. Ya Gambian ko lie the Guardian Ulimela. This is the time they want to fulfill. But science to the Gambian ko lebulu. Moment marke for the past 4 years. Just last year me along Alawato Bandio. Akana ka foi kom left aside Makelele. It's because of what is your vote. Gambian Kolu, ala la carteol mabo. Dinneol la carteol aliye mute bulu, aliye mabo. Dinneol la carteol aliye mute bulu, aliye mabo. Ala lonko ala carte keso kumayata bakele, ala carte keso wolo mal county. E man fenso de men folalie, baka fania falie, ka kamba kata wala ala Usenu Kang. Ala Usenu mu banku din kendolati, ala Usenu para kanyum banko bondi, e man lefi wolela, ila kuru yalu, ila nafiki yalu, ila sunyaro mel keke, ya lonko with Alaji Usenu's government, they will not able to do sunyaro here, because Alaji Usenu mu loyalty, and no more sunyaro ke abe soronale, wala atine ibe balanding ye double sorong, eko Alaji Usenu masakunda tina, but Alaji Usenu masakunda mu bay balo di Gambia jang, badin Gambia kolu. Elijah Tripoli of Saudi Arabia is all 419. Elijah Tripoli of Saudi Arabia is all fraud. Elijah Tripoli of Saudi Arabia is all ka bankola kodota ka embezzle. Elijah Tripoli me alonga bakeka to Saudi Arabia is just ka bankola kodota ka siano temo. Ka bankola kodota ka siano temo. Guys, you know come out me alonga I have for you people. Someone dialed let me just come and update you guys few things. To summarize the Amo Bakerment in 5 minutes, please. Na the Amo follow Kadament wala mnyundo ko Fal Jain. We didn't know me alonko, we didn't furuo, we didn't nyamato, we didn't know me alonko ala hakilo mantra fambala. Menka mandin call beneng, menka Gambian call beneng, menka UDP call beneng, menka even abadin surwal fongol take beneng. Ne UDP goal neng ika badin surwal beleneng ne UDP goal neng ika badin fulol beleneng ne UDP ko wala non ko menga Gambian goal beneng Farjan ko alidaha ka Farjan la video sia alidaha ka Farjan la kuma ka kasia nal kasia aka mendu ni jamaat sonno mo kono wala fitnote andon asal hakil to fitnoto NPP. They are using many tactics of agents. What nankafali ko ali akala mutala iko paralu ibe paral samba to police station also. So in tactics be buluko near paral samba police station also, for example, ibaje loko ila agent told be mol call le ba fele ko karjol fele ka luntongul samba kar bla karento. Hakilo lem dorong. So ba ite be kamfala ibe lef la kata o lo luntongul nyato. Kana lo luntongol nyato UDP agento le soto ni luntongol samba dula karento ele agento call afaye ko ifele ko luntongol samba nan jam kana futa je nim mo be fitno nyini kela ite bora marira. So because we understand ko be agento le use kang ila own people all, because imagine somebody will be driving NPP call we better call ka ba fele ko ndem NPP la drive volati, for example. I'm just saying for example. But mfele na luntangol sika luntan nani mfele sika dula karendo mfele ke samba dula karendo kada ka register je lafta alela mol commande pour na je ke bendu. What is that? Alela mol commande pour ka je ko ye balang o luntangol kana register. What is that? So ni atara sai moye call I search information on dealer ebe men kala wala nyunduko call the relevant people and make sure agent member of particular polling station on you put that agent alert. Well, agent on him fana amanjara ay fitinoke amanjara ay balambayake. Well, agent on you have a mental wala nyuntiko afo IEC staff ko go e kanyim men samananteng kana attestation o diala ning atra IEC staff ko me attestation o diala because of melekeda e ko Gambian ko because melekeda Gambia kayto babulu afa no problem abula ay attestation o diala na ya diala already na ya kayto dia already amana detail solta amanjara fitinola na ya attestation o ta amana detail solta and you forwarded it to the regional committee. Revising code baila. Nimmo kafale ko revising code be baila le ikal nenele. There will be revising code because luale be nyum banko kang. If Yakumba can go with the president code, Yakumba president will win in the court. If 3 years Jotna can go with the state to court, 3 years Jotna Gambia president will win. If Mohamed Kante can go with the police to the court, Mohamed Kante police will win Kitty Blood. Mine ba atinna luntawo bina benda banko kaydo sotola ye luntawo samba Kitty bonkono ye luntawo nyinta ye sembodi wala mine bokela. But alal hakil to la informal to. There are a lot of informal jamale be caring because I am telling you, personally many informants always contact me. But niyang contact nga fele ko jarama, jerejif, thank you. And I try to put the plus. I always try to put the plus. So nimmo ke call aka foyo ko ha fele nga luntawo samba black arondo. Jumale o mariti ila moy bang ila haklo use jumale o mariti. Because they are using many agents to fight. So Fatjan is part of those agents. Fatjan is part of those agents. They will put anger into you. Put Fatjan